Hey guys, I'm Tim with Original Strength, and this week I wanted to show you how to use a light sandbag or something light to make your rolls just feel awesome. So I'm just gonna show you what I'm doing. And again, this is a 15-pound sandbag. At home I use a 10-pound sandbag. It doesn't take a lot of weight at all. And I like the sandbag just because it's comfortable and it allows me to do some other cool stuff. But anyway, what we're gonna do is we're gonna do lower body rolls while we put our hands underneath the sandbag right here. And so it kind of just gives us a little bit of weight on our hands to encourage us to be patient with our roll. But if you use your imagination and imagine that you're trapped underneath the sandbag and you can't get your hands out from under it, it makes it kind of cool. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my left leg here and I'm gonna roll towards you. And now my hands are trapped underneath this sandbag. But look, I'm still looking for ways to move my head underneath my arm. And this just feels so good. I love the young people. You ever see that on SpongeBob? Never mind. So anyway, this just feels good. And then I'm gonna come back. And so from the other side, I'm gonna reach. And I just, hi, how you doing? And then I come back. And it's pretty simple. Lower body segmental roll that you're not really rolling all the way over, but you're using the sandbag to kind of lengthen and stretch you out and trying to see where you can move with the sandbag being the limiter, putting limitations on you. And again, this just feels, well, it just feels really kind of good. Now, you may not have, some of you may not have the mobility to allow a sandbag to sit here, or to allow your shoulders to sit here because your shoulders may not come all the way down to the ground. So that may be very uncomfortable. And we want to be comfortable. So I'm going to show you a different way. We can put this on our shoulder, or we can trap our arm right here, somewhere beside us, where it's a lot more comfortable than trying to be overhead. And again, I can do the same thing. I'm going to reach across with my leg, and I'm going to imagine my arm's trapped. And I'm going to just keep reaching this time because, well, it's a different roll. But this reach, oh my goodness, you're going to love this. It just stretches you out and lengthens you. It's like a massage that you're giving yourself, lengthening your fascia. Now you could come this way, but really you're just learning how you can move with your arm trap. So if the weight's on this side, you really want to do this number right here because, oh my goodness, this feels amazing. And you can just hang out here and breathe. I'm going to give you a bonus right here. So you can hang out here and breathe. And as you exhale, you just see if you can lengthen a little bit more or relax into the stretch that you're feeling. And you can hang out here and do head rotations, which are awesome. If you want to get crazy, you can do head nods. You can do all kinds of stuff. You can activate and stimulate your vestibular system while you're lengthening. And it's just more information into your nervous system that, well, it's good information. That could be good for you later. So to do the other side, I've trapped my arm in a comfortable position with the sandbag, and then oh yeah, baby. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, it's a family show. I don't know what I'm thinking, but man, this feels good. And then you come back. So you trap your arm with a light something. Sandbags feel great. Heavy pillows maybe. And you lengthen, and it just, oh my goodness, the stretch just feels so good. And again, you can hang out here and breathe. And if you did not hear my enunciation or pronunciation, I said you can hang out here and breathe. Or you do head rotations. And again, as always, you just move where you can move or be curious about where you can move, and you explore. That's our tip for today. How to trap your arms with a sandbag or a heavy pillow while you explore rolling. Give that a shot. I think you'll be pleasantly surprised on how really nice that feels. All right, kids, that's it for this week. I'm Tim with Original Strength, and we'll see you next time. To learn more, consider attending an Original Strength certification. Visit originalstrength.net for more information.